Let's go ahead and unbox the Dwarf Mini by Dwarf Labs. Now, what's so special about the Dwarf Mini? It's the smallest smart telescope in the market right now. It weighs just 840 grams, and it can easily fit your backpack when you're traveling, hiking, or camping. I found that when it comes to astronomy gear, the more portable, the easier it is to set up, I tend to use it more. Later in this video, I'll show you some of the first captures I got using the Dwarf Mini. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, the cleaning cloth, the manual, and the Dwarf Mini itself. Really nice finish. Company branding. There's only one button for power. And some LEDs for the battery indicator. Comes with a charging cable, Type C to Type C. And a magnetic solar filter. Now, why is a smart telescope a groundbreaking product? Because prior to smart telescopes, you would have to buy all of these. You get a telescope, tracking mount, filters, auto guider, imaging camera. All of these cost a lot of money. Upwards of about 200,000 up to 500,000 just for basic setup. Now, all of those are built into this one gadget. Editing whatever you capture also takes a lot of time, practice, and skill. Even finding celestial objects is very difficult, especially for beginners like me. All of those are now included in the Dwarf Lab app. It shows you what's available in the night sky whenever you're observing. This is a live capture of me doing my first astrophotography session. It's currently tracking the Lagoon Nebula, and as you can see, it takes a few photos every few seconds, stacking the image so you get a brighter picture. Now keep in mind, I live in Pasig City. We have very bad light pollution here. We are in Portal 8 or 9 if I am not mistaken. So this is not the best for doing astrophotography, but I'll show you later what this gadget can do. Now this is the final product. This is the Lagoon Nebula. It took about 22 minutes to capture. This one's M15, 14 minutes to capture. This one's my favorite so far, the Eagle Nebula. Took me 44 minutes to capture this one. Right, these are just samples, and I even captured a lightning strike using when I was testing out the Star Trail feature. Now we are selling the Dwarf Mini on our stores. You can check us out on Facebook, Lazada, Shopee. PM us if you want to pick up the item. And we offer free same-day delivery to anywhere Lalamove can reach from Pasig. And lastly, we are starting a community. Join us on Reddit at r/smarttelescopeph. Be one of our founding members. Thank you for viewing our video. Clear skies, everyone.